Hello guys, this is the first video of my Firebase playlist and this is an introduction of Firebase. In this video, we will know what is Firebase and what it is used for. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So what is Firebase? It's an backend service and it's very efficient. You can make prototypes or apps using it. You can make iOS apps, Android apps, web apps, websites, games and many more. It has many facilities like cloud storage, authentication, real-time database, hostings, cloud firestore, analytics, crashlytics, and much more. I personally use Firebase for its hosting, authentication, and database. It's very easy to authenticate and to make database in Firebase. So, what you will need to learn Firebase? I will recommend you to learn node.js before learning Firebase, and you should have some kind of knowledge of JavaScript. Next video will be of installation of Firebase. We will learn how to install Firebase in our local system in the next episode.